Hello, welcome to all participants. I am SEEMAB and I am the resource person of this Python course. Before starting the Python course entitled Complete Python Programming for Absolute Beginners and Learners, I want to share few necessary things among you. The first thing, Python installation in your PC or laptop, and the second is the integrated development environment, that is the acronym of the IDE. It must be installed in your PC or laptop. And what is the IDE? We will see in the lecture class. So without your wasting the time, open your PC, laptop and connect with your good internet connectivity and follow the instruction for the installation Python. This is my YouTube channel, Super Tech Learning. Please subscribe, like and share among your friends, and all important things of this course will be shared through this YouTube channel. So the first thing, go to the Google and write the official website of the installation Python. Just open Chrome. This is the official website of the Python. Now click on this python.org. Now go to the downloads. When you will see here, you will see for Windows Python 3.11.5, it's a latest updated version of the Python. For Mac and other platforms, you will see here. From here you can download for the Windows, Mac, Linux or others. Most of the students have are using Windows, and I am also using the Windows, so I will install the Python 3.11.5 for Windows. If you have the Mac or Linux, go to the other platform or here and install the for this software or operating system. Okay, I have already installed this Python file. When you will click on this, you will see here. Now go to the setup file without wasting the time. Okay, this is the setup file for the Python and Anaconda. Anaconda is the IDE environment, and we will see what is the IDE environment of the Python in the lecture class. Now double click on the Python 3.11.5. Run. Now see here, use the add python.c to the path. Just click on this, and here you will see the path is this, and the includes ideally pip and documentation. Pip is the very important. It is used for the module installation. When you will attend the lecture class, what is the pip and ideally we will see. Now install now. Now setup was successfully installed. You can see here. Now close. Now open the search bar and go to the command prompt. Now write here the Python space double dash version. Now here you will see the Python 3.11.5 has been successfully installed. Now next we will see now pip has installed or not. We will check. See, pip 23.2.1 for Python, this version has been installed. Now open to the Python. Now this is the Python. Okay, now check for this program is working or not. Python is also working as a calculator. Just see, this is working. Now go to the previous library. Okay, syntax invalid. Don't worry about these things, already it has been installed. Okay, the program is working. Now Python has been installed. Now close this. Now the next thing, install the Anaconda for this. The Anaconda is a IDE environment. It is the IDE full form. That is the abbreviation of the integrated development environment for the Python programming language. And what is the IDE, we will see in the lecture class. For this, open to the, just see here what is the IDE. Now this is the official website for the Anaconda, which is the way which will provide you the IDE full form for the Python programming language, not for the only the Python. This Anaconda will provide for the lots of the IDE environment for the some other programming language. Now just go to the Google and write Anaconda. Just see, this is the official website for the Anaconda. Go to the pricing, go to the free download. From here, download for this Windows, Mac or Linux. See here, get additional installer is showing here, and this is the for the Windows. I have already installed from the that website Anaconda. Double click on this. Now I am going to install in my PC. Now it is, I am going to run this. It is preparing the setup. Now next, agree, all user, next, next, here just see register Anaconda 3 as the Python system Python 3.11. Python 3.11 I have already installed, that's why it is showing here. Now check in this box and I'm going to install packages cache, and it